We are here at the Walden Galleria JC Penney, and we have some of these older Dover impulses.
They're kind of
Interesting. Yeah.
Yeah.
That one's got a new contact, but it's an old button there. The remote does not work. Oh. There it goes. There's the phone. Nice cab, you know, it's not a nice cab, but just kind of a basic cab. And here is the other elevator.
And here we are in the other one. I plus mine because music.
Oh, door close button's broken.
That's lovely.
There's no contact. Yep.
Yep.
It just exists. Very exciting elevators. And that's it.